Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Yes, I do have a check engine light on, but it's for the code transmission. I forgot the code. I think it's P07A3. I'm not sure. It's for the element 8, which is the actuator 8. So my actuator got stuck. 8. Uh, Yesterday, I actually pulled out a complete history of the OBD2 scanner, and I printed out the page, and they gave me that my actuator A is stuck on. So uh, depending on the situation, or depending on the car, because some people will ignore this issue, and they will continue driving the car until you lose your reverse and your drive. In my case, it's still not severe. I'm still on the green light. I'm not even going yellow or red yet. I'm still able to use my car to go to work or whatever I had to do. But yeah, sometimes I do get the slippery shifting where it goes from first to second or second to fourth, depending on the gears. And like I said, that depends on the car too, because some people do drive these cars on until they die, and they don't want to continue running no more. So I just want to show you that I do have the code for the transmission for the actuator A. I already ordered the actuators B and A, both of them, with the special tool. So I hope Saturday I'm able to do the service. But also too, I have a plan B, which is take it to the dealer and get it fixed from them, since I'm still covered under the, let me see, the letter says customer satisfaction program 14M02. So I could just take the car because it's still covered until January 30, 2025, which is a whole year that I have to take it to the dealer to go get service for those transmissions, for the TCM or whatever it is. But I don't think I have any issues with my TCM, because my TCM, it is responding. You guys can see it is responding to my gears. So here's the difference between the TCM and the actuators. A lot of people are getting confused because they think that TCM went out and it's no longer going to be drivable. No, your TCM goes out only if your TCM goes out, meaning you can no longer shift the cars to park, neutral, reverse, or drive. That's your TCM. It's no longer communicating to your transmission more. Now, actuators B and A is a whole different thing. That is a whole different thing. Actuator A, actuator B are the ones that drive your forks for your clutches to engage to the gears, depending if you manual or automatic. That's how they work. That's what the actuator A and B is. And yes, last night, I was able to confirm 100%, officially confirm 100%. When you switch the actuators A and B, you don't need to program them no more. Why? Because your TCM is not out of service. It's not out of program. You're not switching your TCM. So your TCM has the safe program for your new clutches. So you will not have to program them to drive your car again. All you gotta do, just clean up the area, with penetrating oil, brake fluid, whatever it is that you have to do to clean those clutches, A and B, and then put the new ones in, and it should be good to be driving. I confirmed that last night. I really confirmed that last night from a video that was posted about 8 hours ago. Now it's 16 hours ago. But yes, he did confirm to me. He replied back. He said, yes, you don't have to program the actuators A and B, so you don't have to worry about none of that. Just make sure you do a thorough cleaning before you put the new ones. Grease them up, whatever you have to do to make it run better. You know what I'm saying? So that's another question. Is a lot of people have the same questions that I had. There was the golden question: do you have to program the actuators? No, you do not have to program the actuators. I know there's a lot of videos out there myself. I saw myself too. I asked them same questions. The guy told me, yes, you had to program it. It turns out, from a Ford technician, you don't have to. The Ford technician told me straight out in the comment, he said, you don't have to program it. You just put them on and drive off. And that's it. You don't have to do anything else fancy. No scan tools fancy, no programming. Sorry about that. I lost my voice right there. What I see in a lot of these YouTubers are programming the TCM for the new clutches to work. So you're literally deleting the current program from the current TCM to make those new clutches work. So you don't have to program the actuators A and B. It just, boom, put them on, clean them up real good before you put them on, put some grease on it. That's it. Plug them in and make sure you're good to drive. And that's it. But there's a lot of processes that there's few videos out there that they actually show you how to clean your actuators positions where they go, housings, the shell housing of the transmission. And I saw one of those, and literally it's really required for you to clean this up, because if you don't do it, your new actuator will have issues with whatever is in the transmission casing, which is it could be clutch dust, brake, whatever it is that it's doing inside. So that's what they say. Use some brake fluid, spray it out really good, and then penetrated oil or WD-40, whatever works for you the best. But I just want to give you a heads up. I do have a check engine light, and it's for the actuator A that it got stuck on. And you guys can see, I'm on my way to work. You guys can see that my transmission is actually running pretty good. I have not lost my drive or my reverse completely. So I'm still in the green light. See what I'm saying? I just want to give you an update how your car should be driven, even with the check engine light of the TCM or the actuator A. For my case, actuator A, I order actuator B and actuator A brand new, so they should be here today. Saturday morning, I go to the dealer. They say we can't get it done today. I just do it myself, take it back again to the dealer, and then tell them I need my car service. You guys need to do this, and once they do it, I'm good. All right, guys, I'll let you guys go. I did lost my voice, and I hope this video was helpful enough to ensure you, when you buy your actuators A and B, you don't need to program them at all, unless you buy a new TCM with the new actuators. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.